Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to memoji on iPhone. If you want to create your memoji on your iPhone that matches your personality and mood and send it in messages and FaceTime, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your message application and tap on the Compose button with a pencil and a paper icon in it at the upper right hand corner to start. Now go to the bottom of the screen and select the memoji icon. Now tap on the plus button in order to create a memoji. Customize the feature of your memoji like skin tone, hairstyle, eyes and much more. After you're done, select Done at the top right hand corner, and that is how you can easily create a memoji for yourself on iPhone. If you want to manage your memoji that you've created, simply tap on the three dots right next to it and tap on Edit in order to edit your features. You can also duplicate an existing memoji with new features by tapping on Duplicate, adding new features on them, and you're done. If you want to delete a memoji, simply tap on the Delete button from the options and confirm your deletion by tapping on Delete. That is how you can create and customize your memoji on iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.